Is Windows failing to load because of the Windows User Interface XAML module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin our Windows User Interface XAML module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Windows User Interface XAML module. This file is the primary engine for modern Windows UI elements. If you see this error after a Windows 11 update, you must use SFC and scanner to restore the system's ability to render buttons and menus. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Since Windows User Interface XAML module DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run SFC/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Windows User Interface XAML module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Windows User Interface XAML module DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for Windows User Interface XAML module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Windows User Interface XAML module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.